Hi everyone. Yesterday I told you I would come back and share one of the techniques that I use to crush those nasty obstacles that keep us from achieving our own personal and professional goals. And I'm doing one of them right now. Here's what I've learned. As human beings, we think differently when we move. So if you're stuck, whether it is you're writing a report or you're trying to create something, or even if you've got an issue and you've got to figure out a solution, but you're stuck and you're not sure which way to turn, get up and take a walk, or go for a run, or get on the elliptical machine, or whatever it is that you do for activity, go and do it. And it's really incredible. I'm not exactly sure how it works, but all I know is that when I get out and I take a walk, all of a sudden ideas start generating, and they just almost start like falling into my mind. So another thing is, when you're doing your activity, let's say, for example, it's walking, always bring a pen and maybe a little notebook, or you can type it into your phone, or you can even dictate notes. That's another really good thing too, is when you're walking, you can just dictate into your phone and let the ideas flow. Anyway, that's one of the techniques that I'm going to talk about in my workshop that is called How to Crush the Obstacles to Bring Your Own Goals Alive. And I'm conducting it at the SMRP workshop in October. It is on Thursday, October 10th in the morning. And I would love to see you there. We're going to talk about a little more about this technique and more. And if you're still interested, you can come back tomorrow, because I'm going to share something else that you can use to crush those nasty obstacles. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.